Welcome to the KuCoin Account sign up video. In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up for an account and two-step verification. Before processing, please like this video and follow our channel. Well, let's watch the procedure. First, go to KuCoin.com. Make sure to open the land page. However, I mentioned the link to the site in the description. Tap on the sign up option. Now you have to enter either your email or phone number. Enter your email in the field above. Be watchful that you must use an email to which you have access. In the mint field, you must create a password for your account, which must contain uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and at least 10 characters. However, the bottom field is for referral ID, which is not mandatory, but if you insert it, you will receive benefits from KuCoin, including the reduction of transaction fees, which will save you a lot of money in the long run. Accordingly, if you have the code, insert it, otherwise, enter the code QBSSTVEP and sign up on the green field at the bottom. You will be tested for not being a robot by marking the photos in order from left to right. An email shall be sent to you, then enter the code in the email in this field. Your KuCoin account has been created, but it is still not secure enough. Want a good and simple way to increase the security of your account? Well, I suggest two verification or Google Authenticator. Tap on your account at the top right. A section will open in front of you where you must tap on the account security option. Here you need to tap on Google verification. Tap on the white send code field to submit an email to you. Copy the code inside the email in the opposite field. Click on the green next part. Now you will be given a code and a barcode that you must scan the QR code with Google Authenticator or enter the code manually into Google Authenticator. You can download the app on Play Store or App Store. Note that you must keep this code with you since you will be needed the code if required to recover the account. Then a code shall be sent to you every few moments from this app, which you need for everything in KuCoin. Enter this code in the FA code field at the bottom. And in this way, two-factor authentication will be activated for the account.